Hi, I'm JC, and there's one thing that I don't like, and it's bad engineering. Over the weekend, my fridge stopped working. This is the second time this fridge stops working like that. First time around, I replaced the entire motherboard because one of the supply was shot on it, probably a capacitor, but my wife convinced me to get a certified repair person over to actually take a look at it. She didn't want me to mess around in the electronics. But this time around, I decided to take a look at it myself. So this is what I did. Model number is this right here. So GDS 20KBSAWW. So the freezer was working, lights, everything was fine. The only thing was there wasn't any cold coming out the vents in the fridge itself, so the fridge was hot. So I immediately got to the back of the fridge, to the motherboard, and started analyzing things back there. So it turns out there's a little motor with a louver down here that controls the flow, the airflow going up here, and that little going up here. Sorry, and that little motor was not being told to open. So yeah, that was what was going on. There's a fan. There's just a single fan in this fridge, and it's down there underneath there, behind the freezer. So yeah, it was fun. So let's go back. Let's go in the back of the fridge, and I'll tell you what I found. So after about 2 hours of tracing signals back and forth between the inside of the fridge and the motherboard, and doing some tracing the signals between the connectors and where they were going on into the motherboard, I was and also cause to effect between what was happening inside the fridge and what was happening on the motherboard. I was able to diagnose a bad relay. So as you can see, this relay here is not the same as the other one because I replaced it. And the one that was on there was bad. The contact had gone bad. Now I don't know why they use relays onto this motherboard and not optocoupers or something else, because these things do wear out with time. And yeah, this fridge, it's the second time the motherboard goes bad on it, or something goes bad into into it the first time around. It was these capacitors up here that were bulging out, that were shorted out. And well, as I said, my wife didn't want me to actually do a repair, and we got the $130 motherboard and swapped it out. But this time around I did the repair myself. I swapped out the relay, and it's been running for about 48 hours now without without any issues. So this is we've been having issues over issues with this fridge since we got it. We had about 4 years of good use out of it without any problems, but afterwards it's been an issue every 2 years with it, non-stop. So I guess from what I was able to gather, this fridge is made by Whirlpool, not GE directly, or at least most of the parts are made by Whirlpool. So not a fan, not a fan. I don't like it. This is really bad engineering. I had a drain down there. There was a drain that totally auto-destroyed itself. So it was leaking on the floor. I had to redo that drain because that part was not available anymore. And you know, it's been non-stop, totally non-stop with this fridge. So be cautious with what you buy. I know they're not built the same anymore, these things, but I mean, 6 years, 4 years without any issues, and 6 years before the motherboard actually go bad. It's really a short lifespan for a fridge. 10 years should be, at least 10 to 12 years should be the norm nowadays. So that's it. Please share, subscribe, like if you like this information. I hope this helps you out in any shape, way, or form. Thanks for watching. Take care, folks. Bye bye.